We're going to the maintenance shop to check that out. We are running out of time fast.
I know.
It's just too much to do. Look, we're like right next to the water tower.
Yeah, we are.
We're like super behind the scenes. This way. Follow these people.
Yep, we'll go in down there and come out this end, I think.
Okay, that works. So outside of a maintenance shop is, of course, things that need maintenance. Makes sense. More trains, train cars. But yeah, let's go in to ride maintenance. This is the one I was looking forward to the most, I think, personally. Now this is some cool stuff. This is the maintenance room, parts room, tool room, etc., etc. Yeah, this is what I'm into. Wow, that is some big sockets.
Yeah.
Jeez. Old towels, old shirts probably. Yeah, everything you need to
Just grab what I need.
yeah, anything you need to operate a theme park.
Yeah.
Hinges, yeah, bearings. You got it all. Yeah, gate hook.
I mean, you know, some grab stuff.
Caulking. We could use some caulking. Oh, and the ultimate
Oh, wow.
bins of screws,
Right.
nuts, and bolts.
Do you know what sucks?
Washers.
Inventory of all this.
Well, if you do a good job signing stuff out, it's not that hard.
You still gotta count everything, don't you?
No, if you know what you're getting in, and you do a good job logging stuff out, you always know what you have on hand. But I'm sure, like, I don't know if they do yearly inventory or not. You do it by weight. You'd weigh everything.
Oh, really?
Power washers, rebar, threaded rods. Okay, yeah, a little bit of everything in here. Now let's go out to the actual shop and see what they're working on. So this is, I don't know what ride, I don't know what roller coaster, but it is torn apart down to nothing. Looks like we got bearings and stuff over there. These are the trolleys. Let's see if I can figure out what this is from. I see a tag. Let me go read it. No, I can't read the tag on this one, but I do know which one is across the way. I can tell you what that is. Some more. I thought this was something else. It's more of the same. But once I scoot down here in a second, you see all the rest of the parts that go with this. And they are all right here. They're also doing demonstrations on some of the proxy sensors and stuff. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, these are Millennium carriages. Figured it out. We asked the person. Yep, it's all Millennium. Maverick cars. Want to jump on it and go for a ride? I don't think it'll work. Plus, there are probably people in the launch tunnel, so it won't work anyways because all those proxy sensors, which we're talking about over there, are probably tripped.
Exactly.
Like, this is cool. Like,
It is really cool.
seeing this stuff up close. Yeah, I like this kind of stuff. I should have been a mechanic when I was growing up. I should have been so much more than what I was. Like, I want to do like all kind of stuff. I need to go back to college, honey.
No.
Now, I don't know kids rides at all, but I can imagine our little boy riding on that in 2 or 3 years, and he's gonna be loving it. See what else we have. Generator, a forklift. That's nothing. And ooh, bumper car. And that is probably Iron Dragon car over there. Yep, definitely looks like Iron Dragon. But yeah, this is some cool stuff they got here. Hey, honey.
What?
Which honey are you talking
Hey, other honey. Could we buy a bigger tractor? You know, this is what they use to landscape here. I think
No.
that we could definitely what about this size?
One of these for home?
I would. I'm trying to negotiate right as we speak, but it's not working well.
No.
This one here is
They got a
Yeah.
oh, hey, ice melt. It's something we don't need around here this year.
Look at all these toys.
I do need a chainsaw though. I need to find a chainsaw because I gotta cut some tree branches off. Oh, this is some fun stuff too.
Oh, one of these, cut your branch.
This is what I think is absolutely amazing. When you're on the sky ride and you look down,
The tile work.
pictures of all of them.
Oh, that's how they do the planters.
Yeah, babe.
Oh, okay. I thought it was tile work. No, it's planters.
No, it's plain off
Oh, it does make sense. We are in like the lawn and garden section. Lawn and garden section, landscaping, same difference. Yeah, that there is their sprinkler system control. Holy crap, I would get lost on that.
I'm sure you would.
Wow, that's impressive. Okay, I got one for you. You hate shoveling snow,
I do.
right? So if we just buy one of these, we could shovel the entire driveway in 2 passes and it'd be great. Everything would be done. Wouldn't have to worry about shoveling ever again.
No.
You're no fun.
I'm not, no.
Also, for those of you that don't know, that there is the corporate offices for Cedar Fair.
Tony's office is on this corner somewhere.
Yeah,
Tony's
somewhere over here is Tony's
on the right
office.
Hand, one of those right hand. If I could get a top, I think that's an office.
Yeah, I don't know. So this is the Coliseum. I've never been up here. I've never been in here. They're restoring or doing some restoration above the dance floor. Yeah, this is super cool. Like, I've never been in here. I think we're going this way to do the costume shop. Then I think turn around, come this way to do the tech shop. I think. I don't know. I don't know what's going on anymore. But yeah, this is super cool.
I know.
Here you go, honey.
I know, right here.
So
Wigs. This is like
these are our
this is like
friends
your
that
area.
are doing a winter chill. Okay. Can he take
This is
pictures?
fun. So these are different uniforms for different things, for different seasons. Here's some of the peanut uniforms for the parades. Here's the witch. The witch is awesome. Of course, the makeup area. Now, this is cool.
It is cool.
Like, this is fun stuff. Well, guys, I think we're done with the main actual theme park
Yeah.
and things around there. We do have to go to the Amazement Shop, which is another maintenance shop up the road,
Right.
which is cool. I enjoyed myself.
I did too.
It may be a choppy vlog or a couple sets of vlogs, but like, we're all over the place.
It's our
Looking
first
at things
time,
and checking
so-
things out, and some things we were more interested in listening to, other things we're more interested in filming.
Right.
So it's kind of a hit or miss of stuff.
Yeah.
But still, I had a good time here. I'm really interested in the Amazement Shop.
Yeah.
We're gonna check that out before heading home.
Yep.
Because Pooh probably misses us.
Oh, my poor baby.
Okay, we made it to the last spot, which we drive by every time we're here and never really realized this is what it was.
Yep, I had no
The
idea.
Amazement Shop, which is Cedar Point's main maintenance facility. So yeah, we're gonna check this out. This is gonna be cool, because I did not know about this at all.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Amazement Shop. My name's Herbert. I'll be kind of guiding you through. the
Steel
shop.
Vengeance.
Feel free to take any pictures, ask any questions.
Different parts of different things. I have a feeling these are all Steel Vengeance related. So that's Steel Vengeance. And this is Cedar Downs, the racing horses. That's cool.
This one has a lot of them,
This is nifty.
but it's pretty cool. Same train. I wonder,
Oh, this is the front lead car.
Yeah.
that'd be a good one.
Well, those go
Can we?
with the gatekeeper.
Check out how wide that is. That is so awesome.
Yeah. It's a lot wider than you think it is. Like, the wheels are a lot bigger than you think they are, and the electronics are a lot more complicated than you think they are. It's just...
Everything different, Palo.
Yeah, jeez.
What does this do?
So that switch right there is literally the light switch.
They got the batteries pulled out of the cars.
Oh, so that's cool. That's so cool looking. Let's go around front of this one. A little dusty, but I'm sure they'll clean that up.
The Amazement Shop.
So train 1, car 5. That one's train 2, car 7. The rest of these down here are all Rougarou.
One of my favorites.
3 over there, a couple over here. Here, I'm going to come up and check these out. Like, they're so simple, yet they're so complicated. Like, there's so much to them. Just making the headrest work, or the, not the headrest, the, what's the word I'm looking for? Harness, the harness work. Yeah. So much to it, but it's still such a simple thing. And there's all the fiberglass, I'm assuming, parts. So what they're doing is they're taking all this apart, because as you can tell on here, it doesn't exist. They'll clean all that, they'll grease all that, they'll get rid of all the rust on it, and they'll put it all back together, and they'll look a lot newer. It won't be like new, but it'll look a lot newer. Then every so many years they'll paint everything. So yeah, super cool. Like, this is awesome. Then parts over here. More parts back there, just parts everywhere. Like, my problem would be I'd forget what part goes where when I go to put it back together. That'd be my big problem. Yeah, there's all the housing for the wheels and everything, all cleaned up. Okay, let's see what's next. Ooh, more parts. Parts everywhere, spare parts, new parts. I see Cedar Creek cars.
Oh, really? Yeah. Don't try to keep your legs up straight. Cross your ankles and let your thighs fall down, and then you'll get it down.
We have a Magnum car. Back here we have a Magnum car stripped down. Huh. There's a Magnum car even stripped down even farther. That's pretty basic. Here, let me go check that out. I never would have guessed that turns in to that. Like, that's just so cool. Wow. And over here we got Iron Dragon. And the different parts of Iron Dragon, I'm assuming, like, because it's a suspension coaster. Yeah, this is weird, just because it's a suspension coaster. So pretty much this runs the track, then the car swings from here and somewhere back here where I can't find it. Yeah, that's weird though. It just kind of like hangs here and swings. Holy brightness. This is like the roller coaster place to be. So these are all Magnum cars, Magnum XL. These are all Iron Dragon, obviously. Those up there are probably completed Magnums. Yeah, parts everywhere. Like, this is cool. I'm enjoying this. And unfortunately, the best part of this is the parts we're not recording, where we're like talking to the mechanics and listening to stories and things like that. There's no way I can record all of it, but yeah, that is some fun stuff too. Talking to employees, talking to other people in the group. Good
Yeah, you
times.
don't shove cameras in people's faces.
Yeah, we don't do that. Okay, let's see what we got here.
Okay.
More Iron Dragon. I don't know what that is. Is that Maverick? Possibly? I don't know what these are. If you know, let me know. Yeah, this is looks like the paint shop. This is the paint shop. This is where they all get repainted and refinished. Aha, I figured it out. Steel Vengeance seats. This yellow thing over here that looks like a top of a slide is a top of the slide at one of the slides at Castaway Bay. There's a little bit of everything in here. That looks like something from a spider ride. That's what I'm going to go with. Oh, it's a little Jeep.
Guess what?
Our little baby boy is going to love riding that in a couple of years. By the way, this is the third time I did this clip because I keep saying little baby boy's name. And you guys don't know it yet.
Stop saying
And I've done that like 3 other clips too. Oh, I just need to tell you one day.
Yeah, we probably should.
Eventually.
Yeah.
Also, there's more of these in there, ready to get painted. I don't think you get any of them.
Go buy me a pink.
Oh, there's a, is that a Skyride cab? Oh, this is cool. Yeah. The sky buckets, right? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, so these are ready to be painted. Also, I like the wall. Like, that is fun. Like, if we were in a kid's room in a basement, I would totally do that in a second. Holy fences. That's a lot of fences. And also over here we got a lot more trains, cars, roller coasters, things, words. I wonder if these are already done or if these are going to be done.
I think they're already done.
No, I think they're going to be done. I think if they're done, they would
Send it back to where they need to go, maybe for storage. I don't know.
no, they would have
Yeah, because these are
wrapped them and protected them a little bit better.
all stuff.
Chess. Yeah, see, these are waiting to be done. Those over there are done. They're just wrapped. And you can tell they're done.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, Steel Vengeance, you gotta get on this one day. It's great. Oh, look at the shocks on that thing. Holy crap. And look at the brake fin on that thing.
Yeah, wow.
See, that's cool to see this stuff up close. Like, I love this. This is awesome. Honey,
Yes.
this might be baby boy's first roller coaster one day.
Yeah.
Wilderness Run in Camp Snoopy.
Oh, I can't wait.
Maybe. I'll probably actually go on one at like the Canfield Fair first.
Maybe.
And those are a little bit smaller, I think.
Yeah,
We'll see. Oh,
I prefer him to go on this. I feel like it's safer.
this is true. This is true. Oh, honey. This may be little baby boy's first coaster. Wait, didn't I just say that over there? He has options. Is this an actual coaster? I think, is this an actual coaster or is it more like a train?
I'm not quite sure.
I don't know either. Like I said, I don't know anything about the kids' rides in this park, but we are going to learn this year. Hello, guys.
Hello.
It is current day us.
It sure is.
You just watched the last part of the Cedar Point Winter Chill Out video at the Amazement Shop.
That was such a fun
It
adventure.
was a great day at the park. For not riding anything, just checking things out. There was so much we seen that we didn't show you, and so much we got to hear and listen to that we didn't get to show you. In fact, we got so excited at the end, we just stopped the video.
We sure did.
And we were talking to Mary Jo and Bill and, you know, saying our goodbyes, things like that, and forgot to say goodbye to you guys.
We did.
So I'm excited to go back next year and see what else we get to see. Because I know there is a ton that we didn't get to see.
You're right.
It was a good time.
It really
And it's for a
was.
good charity. So if you're ever in, you know, the area during the winter chill out, usually it's like the second or third weekend in February, go do it. It's $50 a person. It all 100% of the proceeds goes towards charity. Definitely go check it out. We had a blast.
Was awesome.
I cannot say enough about it.
I can't wait to go back and do it again.
I know. And it just has me jonesing to go to Cedar Point in a couple months from now.
I know. I wish it was now.
Beginning of May. Soon enough.
It is soon.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, thank you for watching all 3 parts of that, and we appreciate you spending time and joining us on our little adventure, and we will talk to you guys tomorrow.
Good night, guys.
Bye.